In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your rewards from the Binance Launchpool. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transfer your earned tokens to your spot wallet. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, look for the More option in the menu. From there, you'll want to click on Launchpool. This section is where Binance hosts various token farming campaigns, allowing you to stake and earn new cryptocurrencies. It can be exciting to see the potential tokens you might earn. So keep an eye on this area for any new and upcoming projects. Once you're in the launch pool section, locate the active launch pool project you've participated in. This will usually be a token pool where you've staked your assets to support the launch of a new token. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with the project details, such as the staking period, to ensure you're fully informed about the rules and potential returns. Inside the pool, you'll notice your earned rewards start to accumulate. These can accrue as frequently as hourly, depending on the specific launch pool campaign. It's always a good idea to regularly check these rewards so you have a sense of how your staked assets are performing and what to expect in terms of returns. When you feel it's the right time, you have the option to claim your rewards. Simply click on the Claim or Harvest button to transfer your earned tokens from the launch pool to your spot wallet. This step effectively moves your digital earnings from the launch pool where they were generated to the wallet where they can be used. It's a simple process, but crucial for turning those digital rewards into usable assets. If for some reason you don't manually claim your rewards before the farming period comes to an end, don't worry. Any unclaimed rewards will typically be automatically transferred to your spot wallet. So even if you forget or get busy, you won't lose out on the tokens you've earned. Once the tokens are safely in your spot wallet, you have several options. You can choose to trade them, allowing you to take advantage of market fluctuations to potentially increase your returns. Alternatively, you might decide to hold on to them if you believe their value will increase over time. And of course, if you prefer, you can always withdraw the harvested tokens to another wallet or platform. The choice is entirely yours, depending on your investment strategy and goals. And there you have it. You've successfully claimed your Binance Launchpool rewards and learned how to manage them. Remember to keep an eye on new projects and opportunities within Binance, as these can be a fantastic way to explore the crypto space while potentially growing your assets. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.